Hi, I am Priyanka Shegne and he is my son Pradnesh Shegne. My son is interested in medical field. He want to be a doctor. He also plays her friends act like a doctor and treat them. I ask sometimes my son, why you want to be a doctor? He told me, doctor holds a very important place in our society. India is big population and poor country, so he want to be a doctor and helps all peoples and treat them. I encourage my son. He will fulfill our dreams, and doctor is a very serious person, and he is a very important role in our society. So I every step my child encourage, and I am very proud of you. He looks a big dream, and I also help. He want to be a doctor. Thank you.